Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and we are back at CVS for another week of CVS couponing. I did make a little mistake in the intro of last week's video and I said that last week's ad was going to last for 2 weeks long, but I forgot that it had Valentine's Day in it, which means that CVS just does a 1 week ad because they have a lot of promotional stuff in the ad for Valentine's Day. They like to just keep it to 1 week and then change it up the following Sunday. And then I guess because this week has President's Day on it on Monday, this week is also going to be another 1 week ad. So this video is only going to be for this week through the 24th, so keep that in mind. Just 1 week, which is kind of exciting because last week was pretty slow, so I'm kind of excited to get a brand new ad for this week. I also wanted to make sure that you guys all have the Upside app downloaded onto your phone. I talked about this in last week's video, but I just feel like it's kind of an app that not everyone knows about, and basically it is like the ultimate gas cashback app, and it's very popular. A lot of people use it. I think I really started hearing about it in 2020, but basically what it allows you to do is you can open up the map feature on the home screen of the app and you can see all of these cents per gallon cash back that gas stations are offering near you. You can look to see which one has the highest cents back per gallon and then go to that gas station, claim that cents back per gallon, and then you're going to get that money depending on how many gallons that you refill in your car, and then that money can be deposited directly into your bank account. You can also redeem it as a gift card, I believe, but it's basically just free money for getting gas that you get anyways. So I always try to remember. I don't always remember, but I know in the past couple years that I've used it, I've earned over $300 in gas cash back. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys are aware of that because I feel like it's very useful. It's kind of like one of those no-brainer couponing saving money apps that I think that everyone who likes to save money should have. So if you guys do want to get that, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. And they do also have like percentage back on restaurants near you, so they may have up to like 20%, and you just upload a picture of like your takeout receipt or your dinner receipt and they'll give you that percentage cash back. So if you go to dinner and you have like $100 bill, that could be like $20 to $30 cash back for restaurants near you. I know they also have it for a lot of grocery stores, so like the grocery store I used to go to in Minnesota, Cub Foods, I remember they always had like 10% cash back. And if you're getting $100 to $200 in groceries, that's like $10 to $20 back on your groceries on top of any other savings that you're also using at the grocery store. So I do think it's a really helpful app to have. Again, I'll have it linked in the description box down below. So with all that being said, you guys, let's get into the video. Valentine's clearance did hit 50% off. It was 50% off the day that I shopped on February 18th. It should hit 75% a week after Valentine's Day, so probably on Wednesday or 2 weeks after Valentine's Day for sure. So I'm going to check it out once it hits 75%. Just keep in mind it does not go to 90% anymore. These small size Downy Unstoppables are on clearance at my store for just $3.89, and we actually have $2 Ibotta rebates up to a limit of 5. My account didn't have it because I coupon a lot on my personal Ibotta account, but my boyfriend's account did have it. So you could grab up to 5 of these for just $1.89 each. Plus we also have a $1 digital coupon that's attaching to this item, so theoretically one of them would be just 89 cents after the $1 digital and the $2 Ibotta rebate. A lot of the clearance laundry items are marked as clearance, but they're marked for way higher than they're actually ringing up. So I'd recommend checking out all the laundry clearance and scanning them at the Redbox coupon machine to see how cheap they really are. Another great clearance item is the orange Gain and the regular original small size Gain. These are ringing up for 60% off at my store for just $3.91, and we have $1 digital coupons, so that would make one of these just $2.91. The Palmolive Ajax deal is a really good deal this week at CVS. They're buy one get one 50% off, so you could grab one of the Palmolive at $4.39 at my store and one of the Ajax at $3.89. That item would be 50% off, so the two items would total $6.33 for both. These are buy two get back a $2 extra buck this week, and we have $1 digital coupons for the Palmolive and a separate $1 digital for the Ajax, so you'd be left to pay $4.33. Earning back your $2 extra buck would make the two of these just $2.33 for both, and this would be a great item to throw into like a 10 off 70 CRT scenario. Next up, we're going to be grabbing some free OralB toothbrushes. The Healthy and Clean, these are marked in my store at $1.49, but they're actually ringing up for $1.34. So you can grab 4 of them, totaling $5.36, and we have a $5 off 3 digital coupon. So that would leave you to pay just 36 cents for 4 of these. Make sure you grab at least $5 worth, because if your total for your toothbrushes is under $5, that 5 off 3 digital will not apply. It's raining, so please ignore that, but I did want to share with you guys how you can save on some meal kit services right now. I have been trying out some meal kit services to supplement my regular grocery shopping because I've just been in this rut with cooking lately and with recipes, and I've been wanting to try new ones without having to buy like a million ingredients from the store. So I have been trying out both HelloFresh and Blue Apron and just doing the cheap trials, like the 50% off, 60% off trials, and then canceling. And there's actually really good trial offers right now. For HelloFresh, you can get a 2-person 2-meal box for just $21 in free shipping. And then for Blue Apron, you can get a 2-person 2-meal box for just $14. So I'm gonna have both of those deals. You do need my specific link to get those deals. I have them in the description box down below and in the pinned comments so you guys can easily find it. And I just was having a lot of fun with trying that out. And then what I like to do is I also save these meal cards as well for the ones that I really like. And then now that I know the recipe and I have all the instructions and I've cooked it once before, so I'm like confident that it's going to turn out good, I just buy these same ingredients at the grocery store and then I have like unlimited recipes. I just feel like it's really cool to, rather than just looking up recipes online and hoping they're good, like you can try them out, know they're good, and then you have all the knowledge of how to cook it and the recipe card and the ingredients to buy it. So I would definitely recommend trying it out. I just think it's really, really fun. Me and my boyfriend did it and we always have fun doing that. So again, I'll have all those links for the deals for HelloFresh and Blue Apron in the description box down below and in the pinned comment for you guys. Degree Deodorant are buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $3 extra buck this week. So you can grab 2 of the regular Degree Women that are $6.79 at my store. Buy one get one 50% off. 2 of them would be $10.18. You can use a $2 digital coupon for one of them and you'd be left to pay $8.18. But you would earn back your $3 extra buck. Plus you can submit to ShopMeum for the second one that you did not use a digital coupon for a $2 manufacturer coupon rebate there as well. And that would make your final cost just $3.18 for both deodorants. Plus you can also submit to Fetch Rewards for some bonus points as well. I will have Fetch linked in the description box down below for you to get a $2 bonus when you sign up. Soft Soap and Irish Spring Body Wash are buy two get back a $5 extra buck this week. So you can grab 2 of the Women's Soft Soap Body Wash totaling $13.18. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $9.18. Earning back a $5 extra buck would make 2 of them just $4.18 or $2.09 each. And again, this would be a great item to throw into like a 10 off 70 transaction. I really like this next deal. It's pretty rare. I haven't seen this deal at CVS before. The Yardley 2-count bar soaps are buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these at my store. They're $3.59, totaling $7.18. Earn back your $4 extra buck, makes 2 of them just $3.18. LOreal Elvive Hair Care are 2 for $9 and buy 2 get back a $2 extra buck, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so you can use that. You'd be left to pay $5, earn back your $2 extra buck, would make 2 of them $3 or $1.50 each. But check your CVS email list because I actually got a $2 off L'Oreal hair color CVS store coupon sent to my email this week. So with that, I should be left to pay just $3, earning back my $2 extra buck will make both of them just $1 or 50 cents each. Garnier Fructis are buy 2 and get back a $3 extra buck this week. At my store, they're priced at $4.79, so you could grab 2 of them totaling $9.58. You'd use a 3 off 2 digital coupon, pay $6.58, and earn back your $3 extra buck. Would make your final cost just $3.58 for both. I would definitely only do this deal if you're pairing it in with like a 10 off 70 or a spend CRT. Neutrogena facial care, including the 25-count makeup wipes, are spend $25 and get back a $10 extra buck this week. So one scenario that I came up with is grabbing 3 of the night calming makeup removing wipes at $8.59 each. 3 of those would total $25.77, so we're going to get back our $10 extra buck for spending $25 before coupons. And then you can use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena facial care CRT as well as a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we have that includes Neutrogena cleansers and facial care and makeup wipes. And then also if you have this $3 off acne CRT from your CVS emails, check your CVS emails because 2 of my 3 accounts got this CRT. You could also pair that in with the digital coupon and with the 5 off 20 spend CRT. You'd be left to pay just $14.77. Earning back your $10 extra buck would make it just $4.77 for all 3 wipes. But don't forget that we have one more week left of the Activate Reward rebate where it's spend $20 before coupons coupons and earn back a $5 virtual Visa gift card, or spend $30 and get back a $10 virtual Visa card. Since we only spent $25, we'll be getting back that $5 Visa card, which will make our final cost completely free and like a 23-cent moneymaker. I'll have that Activate Rewards linked in the description box down below. Like I said, this week is the last week to purchase items for that Activate Rewards rebate, so if you want to do that, I'd recommend taking advantage before it ends. Neutrogena Acne Care are spend $10 before coupons and get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab one of these stubborn acne patches at $10.49. You can use a 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT if your account has that. And we also have a $4 digital coupon that applies to Neutrogena acne items. So you'd be left to pay $3.49. Earning back your $4 extra buck would make these free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. Like I mentioned before, I got $3 acne CRTs from my CVS email list on 2 of my accounts. So I think for one of my accounts, I'm going to grab this Vit Cleanser that's on clearance 75% off for $4.87. I scanned this item and it looks like that CRT is attaching, even though I wouldn't say this is necessarily an acne item. So that's going to make it just $1.87. And since this is 75% off on clearance and probably is a discontinued item, I'll be able to sell this for close to $20 or if not more on eBay. If you guys are interested in selling your stockpile on eBay and learning more about how I sell my stockpile on eBay and how it works, I did make a whole dedicated video on how to sell your stockpile on eBay, so you can find that video on my channel here. Alright, so I did not end up doing a 10 off 70 today. I just couldn't bring myself to do it. If there was a spend 20 get 5 scenario that I wanted to do for P&G Laundry, I probably would have done it, but I just couldn't put together enough stuff that had high value enough digital coupons in order to get my total low enough to where I wouldn't be spending a bunch of cash out of pocket. My account that had the most extra bucks has $29 in extra bucks on it today, but all of my totals were going to end up being like $40 after coupons and then getting back only like 20 something dollars in extra bucks. So it just didn't make sense for me to do the 10 off 70 this week, but it could make sense for you to do it. So I would definitely put together all the deals that don't have spend CRTs, that don't require spend CRTs, and maybe put them into like a 10 off 70. This first transaction that I did, I grabbed 2 of the Downy Clearance Unstoppables and then the OralB toothbrushes, which actually are ringing up for $5 or like $1.34 each. I don't know why, but it ends up making them free after the 5 off 3 digital coupon, so I'm happy about that. And then I grabbed that clearance Vichy for like $3 and some change. My 5 off 3 OralB digital coupon came off for the toothbrushes, and then the Downy dollar digital and the $3 acne CRT from my CVS emails, and I spent $7 in extra bucks, about $2 out of pocket, so about $9 in total between extra bucks and cash. And then I got back $4 from Ibotta, $2 for each of the $2 for each of the Downy Unstoppables is what I meant to say. So this transaction ended up costing a little under $5, which is honestly really good because I got 2 Downy Unstoppables, plus I'm going to be able to resell that Vichy on eBay since I think it's a discontinued item for probably about $20. So it'll end up being a really good profit for me off this transaction. Transaction number 2, I grabbed the L'Oreal Elvive. The only reason why I did this deal outside of a 10 off 70 is because this card got a $2 off L'Oreal Paris hair care CRT that was expiring today from CVS email, so I decided to grab it. And then I grabbed the Yardley soap because I literally have no bar soap in my stockpile. I have been wanting to grab Dove bar soap on sale at Walgreens with like the $7 sale and the 7 off 2 digital coupon, and then sometimes they have a register award coming back as well, but they haven't been including it in that $7 sale with the 7 off 2 digital lately. So I've been really low on bar soap, so I actually ended up grabbing the Yardley, which was a decent deal. I've actually never tried this bar soap, but like I said, I'm literally out, so I needed to grab some of that, and it was a decent deal getting back the $4 extra buck. And then I did the Neutrogena deal as well. So for coupons, my $4 digital for the Neutrogena Acne and my 3 off 10 at Neutrogena facial care CRT, the 4 off 2 digital for the L'Oreal Elvive. I know the 4 off 2 printable is not scanning, which is why I did not try to do the double dip deal. I just passed on it because the L'Oreal Paris printables as well as the Garnier printables never scan, like for the past couple months. And then I used, what else? A $10 extra buck. And that's it. So I spent out about $13 out of pocket between extra bucks and cash. Got back $10 in extra bucks, which was $2 for buying 2 of the Elvive, $4 for buying 2 of the Yardley, and $4 for spending 10 on the Neutrogena Acne before coupons. So this transaction ended up being a cost of about $3, which is not bad considering I needed this soap plus a little bit out of pocket for the Elvive and the Neutrogena. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment. Make sure to check out those deals I mentioned for Upside, the gas cashback app, and those really good promotions for the smaller size boxes for the meal kits for HelloFresh and Blue Apron in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. And you guys can make sure to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at kaylakoupons as well.